Hello friends, hope you are having a great weekend. Today we are going to do a pre-market analysis on gold. Right now I am showing you the weekly time frame chart of gold. Today we will be discussing the weekly time frame, the daily time frame and the 4 hours time frame. If you have a pen and a paper in your hand, you should write this order blocks which I am going to mention. So, the main order block in the weekly time frame is in between 3638 to 3119. Frankly speaking, I don't think gold will be coming to that area. That is my analysis and that is what I feel. The reason why I am telling you this is because for the last 6 or 7 months, gold has been entirely bearish. Even though there was some small bullish moments, market is completely bearish since months. So it is time for gold to take a pullback to the bullish area of 5000 because market has taken a huge liquidity over here. Also, market is collecting a huge liquidity, that is orders in between 4093 to 3871. If you ask me if this order block is strong enough, I believe 4093 and 3871 in between any of these areas are strong areas for the gold to take support. Also, while checking, I found a retail liquidity zone. We got 1 tap, 2 tap, 3 tap and 4 tap. That means the retailers are interested to buy this area at this area. And here is a retail rejection zone as well. So, we combine both the smart money concepts plus the retail concepts as well. So, lot of confluence are there. But if you ask me from this area, if market will directly go up like this, no, I don't think so. Market needs a huge pullback in order for the market to go up. Same like you are launching a rocket. For the rocket to go to the sky, it needs a fuel. So, what is the fuel in the market? The fuel in the market is liquidity. So if you tell me that gold is going to directly go from here and break all the supply zones and go to 5000, no, it is not possible. There is one more leg down, minimum one more leg down to the range of 3924 to 3871, which is a monthly fair value gap which I found out. And I won't even say that market will come here, tap and go like this. There are chances that market can come take a huge sweep. What is a huge sweep? Taking all the stop losses of the members at this area, and we can get a huge candle, a green candle like this from this area. That means a huge buying will happen from this area, and from here in the weekly time frame, gold can go up to the next range. This is what I think looking at the charts. According to my experience, this is beyond my experience because in my past 6 years or 5 years of trading, I haven't seen gold coming directly from January to July or June. That is around 6 or 7 months, market is bearish. I have never seen such a market. This thing is new to me also. But according to the market, this should happen. This is what I believe. Now, if you come to the daily time frame, okay. As I told you, 4093 to 3871 in the weekly time frame is already a bullish order block. Now, in the daily time frame, when I was checking, I saw a fair value gap and order block in between 4116 to 4223. So, what are the chances? According to the technicals in the daily time frame, one, market can go up to this area, take a proper rejection. If there is no news or anything, it should take a proper rejection, come down to the range of 3900 or something like that. Again, it should take a huge liquidity sweep. From there, maybe the market can go up like this. This is the daily time frame chart according to me. Now, if you go to the 4 hours time frame, still this daily time frame in between 4116 to 4223 is a rejection zone. Also, there is a parallel channel. Parallel channel is like let's say it's a trend line liquidity, same like a trend line liquidity, which is happening over here like this. You can see the multiple tabs which is happening. So you can see that it is forming a bearish flag as we mentioned last day. Because there was a news last day, like we were thinking that the market would be falling from this range to below. And my analysis, it hasn't changed. I still believe market will come one more leg down. If it is not a manipulative move, market should come to the range of 3,924. I repeat it again and again. So why the market went from here? So we were planning to go for a sell if we are getting a sharp move below this. We didn't get a sharp move. So the market went high due to the news which happened, which is this: Iran war. Iran-US trade attack in worst escalation since peace deal. There was a drone attack to the ships in the Strait of Hormuz, and the US also told that they struck Iran targets after attack on cargo ship in the Strait of Hormuz. So have you noticed something? Few days back or few months back, if any attacks in the Strait of Hormuz, the market used to fall. But yesterday, there was an attack from Iran and there was an attack from US, but the market went bullish. So from this you need to understand huge manipulations or some kind of changes is happening in the fundamentals also. I am coming to a point that market is in a confusion stage. You need to stay out of the market until we get a clarity. Without clarity, you shouldn't enter the market. This is what I'm trying to tell you. So when the market opened in Monday, the first chance from this range, market can maybe, because of the news that have happened, market can come down to the range of 4,036 or 3,983. The people who have bought at this 4,000 range, you will get a chance to cut off all your sales over here. So this is a probability which I am telling you. If it is coming here, you can cut off your sales, or according to your risk management, you can hold those trades also. That is according to you. If this is holding up properly, we are getting a sharp move to the upside, or if we are getting an IFC candle, then from here market can go for a buy until 4,116. This is the first chance. In another chance, market can break this range of 3,983. If the market is giving us a sharp move to the down, again we go for a sell until 3,924. But do not overtrade or don't take more risk, because it's a confusion market. You need to wait for the proper signals from the market in order to enter. So I give you two chances right now, and maybe in the Monday market opening, market can go up to the range of this 4,116 or this ranges as well. We cannot say. And maybe from this range, it can take a change of character, or it can take a rejection and come down to the range of 4,036 again. From here, what can happen? Either market can go up or take a rejection and come down. Any chances is possible. So as of now, this is the weekly time frame, daily time frame, and 4 hours time frame. For me, market is bullish, but it is only bullish after it reaches 3,920 or 3,900 range. That is according to me. And there is also a probability that if the market is taking a proper support, or if there is any good news or something, this can also happen. So I am not trying to confuse you. This all can happen. If the market is breaking above the range of 4,223, market is bullish. Then you can see market at the range of 4,880 or 5,000. That is possible. But as I am telling you again and again, for me, market should tap here, or with tapping or without tapping, market should come down, take liquidity from this area, then only market can go up. This is what I believe. And this is what it should happen technically. So my suggestion, simply stay out of the market. Do not take risk. If you are getting if the people who have bought over this area, if you are getting an opportunity, cut off your sell trades, because you are already in profits. Wait for the market. We can go for a good buy entry when? If the market is reaching the 3,900 range. From there, market can rise. This is what I believe. So rest all things we'll be updating in the daily analysis in our community, XTA, the X community, and I'll be sharing the videos and audios in our communities so that you can take decisions accordingly. Also, looking at the news for the coming week, you can see that on Tuesday there are some newses, but that's okay. I don't think that this will create, but we can't say what these people are doing. Everyone is the same. Everyone is the same. That everyone is trying to manipulate. So we can't say anything. On Wednesday we have crude oil inventories and all. These 2 days are okay, but Thursday, my dear friends, non-farm payrolls, unemployment rate, initial jobless claims. So these 3 news are coming together means they are planning something big. Either a huge fall or a huge rise. Anything can happen in this day. Did you look at this? On Friday, July 3rd, it's a holiday for the market. All day, United States, it's an Independence Day. It's a holiday. So I don't know if the market will be working. If so, usually when it is mentioned holiday, the market won't be working. Anyhow, something is cooking behind, on the background. We don't know what. So I can only assure you one thing: if the market is bullish or bearish, be ready for anything. We'll be making money. Thank you so much and all the best.